So this is Erin and Paige's project for term 3. So the original function was f of x equals secant x, and we're supposed to find the second derivative of that. And to do that, first we found the first derivative, which is f prime x equals secant x times tan x. And looking at that, we know that we need to use the product rule, which is when you have a times b, you take the derivative of a multiplied by b, and that's a set, plus the derivative of b multiplied by a, and that's a set. So looking at this, plugging in our variables, we have a is secant x, and so the derivative of a is secant x tan x times b, which is tan x. So we have that, plus the derivative of b being tan x, and the derivative of tan x is secant squared x. And so we take that and multiply it by a, which is secant x, and then when we simplify that, we get our final answer, and our second derivative of f double prime x equals secant x times tan squared x plus secant to the third x. And Erin will tell you how we can check it on Desmos.
On Desmos, when you plug in the function f of x equals secant x, you can then do f double prime x, which gives you the graph of the second derivative, and from there you can graph the function that you got for the second derivative, and then if the graphs are the same, like you can turn them on and off to see if they're the same. If they're the same, then you're correct.